All right, here we go. Let's get the show on the road so it could get posted. Um, do an update tonight, tomorrow's weather. Obviously, that's what the title says. So I might ramble on about something else, but probably not. Um, Here's the current watches, warnings, advisories brought to Coastal Radar or weather front. You see from Rochester, a couple counties into Wisconsin has got severe thunderstorm watch. Currently, there's not a whole lot going on as far as storms in the area. You can see the different storms sitting here trying to build. Um, that is brought to you courtesy of this cold front. This is going to be our primary driver right now. So by 9 o'clock, it's going to be basically stretching from Orange City, Iowa, all the way up to North Metro and back up towards the Duluth area. You can see the visible satellite at the moment. The clouds forming along ahead of the cold front. But, so, current outlooks, as Mike and I posted today, you got the slight outlook that went into effect right around 3 o'clock for severe weather. All tornado threat appears to be mostly all Wisconsin. We got this wind Sig 1 threat. So, and as far as hail, primary hail appears to be on Wisconsin and back down towards Worthington, Marshall, that area. It doesn't want to load right now. Oh well. So tomorrow, oops. Here's that level 3 outlook that Mike and I have been talking about today. You see basically right in our neck of the woods all the way out through Wisconsin. Oh, wonderful. I don't care. Um, Tornado threat. That 5% tornado threat. That pretty much means 5% greater chance of any other time. Doesn't sound like much, but as far as tornado threats go, severe weather wise, that is a pretty decent threat for us. Wind, we have a very high probability of wind. It's more, got that cat, Sig 1 wind, so look at the winds 80 to, there it is. If it loads, it does seem to want to load today. So it knows I'm recording, so it's not gonna. You know what? Don't matter. I'll pull up Storm Prediction Center a little bit. And then our other big threat risk is the hail. We're in a Sig 1 risk for hail as well, so apparently radar fronts have problems with their SPC outlooks today. This discussion. Bear with me 1 second. I'm actually looking. Apparently, SPC is having issues today. That's a problem. Okay, so we might not get the best data, but Sig 1 means the stronger and larger hail, stronger winds. So, yes, Storm Prediction Center right now is having issues. Try to log off another device, but okay. The reason most of you are here. When is it going to happen? If you look up here in the upper left hand corner of my screen, there is the timing. So, as we continue onwards here, by 2 a.m., you're going to see stuff developing in southern South Dakota. It's going to continue to move up. 3 a.m., 4 a.m., 5 a.m., you're going to start seeing storms here in Brown County. 6 a.m., by 9 a.m., the first line will be out of the area. It'll kind of mellow out for the day. Then, as you see, we're up here towards 5 o'clock. 6 o'clock, you see a storm building back by Mitchell, Madison, South Dakota. It kind of blows up. 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock tomorrow night. By 10 o'clock tomorrow night, we will have this decent cell right over the top of us. Pull the sounding for this time frame. We're really not going to be a lot as far as capping, so.
No.
11 p.m., 12, 2 a.m. Yeah, so looks like the first round will come in tonight. About the 3, 4, 5 o'clock a.m. time frame. The National Weather Service is still looking for all hazards as these come through. Keep in mind, this is just a computer generated model. It's taking all the data, compiling it to what it could look like. What it actually does could be a totally different situation as far as timing, as far as what happens. But yes, apparently it appears that Storm Prediction Center is having technical issues.
Definitely issues.
What was I looking at? Earlier today, Weather Service was saying still expected clusters to develop during the early morning, which could primarily risk a large hail wind, but grow confidence the second round during the evening as greatest risk of damaging winds in isolated tornadoes. So that is about when they issued the enhanced risk. So that was actually my weather chat since I'm having issues pulling data off Storm Prediction Center. I was just checking there. Try not to broadcast that too because it is their internal system, so I try not to put it out and show directly what's on there. But as you can see, we got the heat advisory for us right now, and then that watch to the south and east of us. Heat advisory will go till 9 p.m. So, 68 for a low, 88 tomorrow, 65 tomorrow night, 89 for Thursday, 69 for Friday, Thursday night, 90 for Friday, 68 Friday night, and then for 4th of July, oh, we're looking at the moment around 83. So it does appear that will start cooling off towards the weekend, not a significant, but by next week we're going to be still hanging in the mid 80s. So it is not going to leave us that soon. To pop back over into weather front. So yeah, tomorrow we have this enhanced risk. Thursday there's this big slight risk area that goes right through us. Probably Friday, Saturday. I wouldn't be surprised to see something else come up as far as an outlook. Here's one of the models, goes out longer range. It's a GFS. There about you can see all the storms moving in. 6 a.m. tomorrow. They'll kind of clear out, and then by 5 p.m., you can see this cell development, not really cell, but development starting to fire up for us. Um, so yeah, I would say for Friday we're probably going to see more severe weather risks, possibly into Saturday, just by the GFS model. Keep in mind it's just one model. It's all kinds of them out there. This is a European, so that's Saturday. They're predicting a storm coming through. Pretty decent storm, it looks like. But that's still more than 3 days away, so I wouldn't get too excited on that one yet. Uh, let's see here, Wednesday, 1 a.m. Oh, 7-1. So yeah, this is pretty much overnight. Tuesday, 10 p.m. 1 a.m., 4 a.m., 7 a.m., 10 a.m. Keep in mind these are 3-hour increments, so what's happening in 3 hours that goes from here to here is not fully known yet. European model's been very good at showing stuff lately, though. So,
Just a few minutes, buddy.
one other thing I'm gonna hit real quick before I close. A significant significant tornado parameters. Keep in mind the bird colors. I haven't really looked at this yet. This is going back from this morning, so we're already right here. So oh. So by like 8 o'clock tomorrow. Tomorrow. Sorry, I'm a day off, so there's some higher colors that it's not saying it's going to happen, but it says there's potential.
Where's the garbage can? I'm
Uh,
throwing this away. The kitchen light's always done, bud.
that's a supercell parameter. So once again, the higher the numbers, the or colors, the greater the chances of supercells. So you can see overnight and by 8 o'clock tomorrow night, there's a decent. Got the fours, the fives over here, Blue Earth County got 10. So it's just a higher chance of having supercells. But other than that, that's kind of all I got. So I would say timing tonight would be overnight after midnight, probably closer to daybreak tomorrow. And then again later on tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening. So yeah, if Thursday starts trying towards it's gonna be something, I might make another video. Otherwise, Mike and I'll keep everybody updated on the page and wish everybody a good night. Stay cool and hydrated and enjoy the dog days of summer. Have a good night.